Baby bus.
Welcome.
Wow!
I'm thirsty.
Make you a dessert.
Add some milk. Put the fruit in the food processor. Strawberry. Blueberries. Kiwi. Banana. Watermelon. Pineapple. Strawberry. Blueberries. Choose the flavor you like the best. Now, make it look beautiful. Wow, it looks delicious. The ice cream tastes very good. Give it to the blue cat. You shouldn't eat ice cream all the time. Welcome.
Today it's very hot.
Make you a dessert.
Choose 2 fruits that you like. Strawberry. Banana. Help me peel the banana, please. Press the button to make juice. Add some toppings. It's even cooler with ice. Now, make it look beautiful. You're an expert. That juice is so good. Give Alan something to drink. Welcome. I would like to have a cold soft drink.
Make you a dessert.
Choose an ice cream flavor.
Peach.
pour the milk. Mix with the mixer. Add ice cream mix to make soft ice cream. Choose a cone. Turn the handle to make shaved ice. Now, make it look beautiful. Choose your favorite toppings. The ice cream looks yummy. Maybe Momo would like to eat it. Don't eat too much ice cream. Welcome.
Wow!
It is so hot.
Make you a dessert.
Choose a drink.
Water.
Flip the mold and put it in the refrigerator. Press the button to make ice. The ice is ready. Put it in a bowl. Choose a pretty bowl first. You can make shaved ice if you put the ice in. Turn the handle to make shaved ice. Choose your favorite toppings. Now, make it look beautiful. I'm sure it will be tasty. Give it to the blue cat. Don't eat too much shaved ice. Welcome.
I need to drink something.
Make you a dessert.
Choose your favorite shape. Pull down to get juice. Add your favorite fruit.
Grape.
Kiwi. Lemon. The ice cream should be in the freezer. Pick the one you like the best. Choose your favorite toppings. cream looks delicious. Alan would like to have it.